This is Daddy Polly reporting from the Natchez Trace Trails. Today we're gonna walk down some trails with the family. We're gonna have some fun. Let's go.
Before we hop into this video,
Make sure you smash that subscribe button, ring the bell, and like all this video.
and let's get started.
All right, we're halfway down the trail. This is what Mississippi's all about, these types of trails. Check out this beautiful stream we have here. Check out this beautiful stream underneath this bridge. Oh, look, in somebody's underpants. There lies a man whose boxers are in the stream. That's underwear. All right, we're at the point we're gonna turn around. We're gonna go back. Sorry, we're gonna go back the way we came. We're over here close to McCullough Boulevard. You can see McCullough Boulevard this way. All right, we are at the end of the trail. Was that awesome?
Yes, it was.
Yeah, it was. And if you want to watch more of these type of videos, hit that button, smash that like, and here's Evan's other video right here. Or is it right here? Here. Peace.
Okay guys, this is going to be the end for today's video. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, ring that notification bell for fire videos like this one pop up, and I'll see you guys later. Trails, peace.